Hi, welcome to my doll customizing journey. My name is Josephine and these are my creatures. Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to be showing you how I changed out my Blythe doll's eye chips. I got these lovely glass eye chips from Unniedolls. I will be linking her down below so that you can check her out. I know this is not the video that you were hoping for. I promise you I'm working on the FNAF Foxy video. The doll is already finished. I just need more time with the video editing. I need to write the script. I need to do the voiceover. Like the video always takes almost as long as making the doll itself. So I thought I would do this a little bit faster, shorter, easier video for today so that you guys have something to watch while you wait on that Foxy video. So I tried to remove the eye chips with pin, but it didn't work out. So now I'm testing out this hot glue stick method where you basically glue a stick of hot glue into the eye chip and try to pull it out with the stick. Didn't work. These chips were in there, like hard in there. I thought I could just try fishing them out without opening the head, but it didn't work out. I had to open the head so that I would have more space. It would be easier to work with the eye chips if I would open the head, so I did that and I was able to take them out, but it took a lot of force, like a lot of force, and I had to use pliers and this like sturdier needle instead of a pin. So you really have to stick it in there and then just twist it to get it to pop out. Yep, I managed to do that eventually. It did damage the eyeball a little bit, but you can't really see that, so I know it's there, but it's not very visible. So I'm using a little bit of glue to hold the eye chips in place. You don't want to use anything permanent, so don't use super glue, don't use two-part epoxy glue. I'm using a similar product to Elmer's glue wall. It's just there to hold the chip in, so when you turn the doll upside down so that the eye chips just don't fall out. Yeah, and it won't adhere into the plastic permanently. So now I'm just sticking these on. I think these were so cute, these sort of heart-shaped pupils, just so adorable. And a little bit about our situation here. I don't want to talk about it too much. I think everybody at this point is kind of sick of hearing this about this virus and everything. I'm fine, but it has screwed up my uploading schedule because I have swap dolls and we can't ship them at the moment, and I was hoping to post those two videos. I have two dolls lined up, and I can't show the video before my partner has received their dolls, and we are not shipping them out until the situation has calmed down. So I was in a little bit of a pickle, and I thought I could sort of rush in and get the Foxy video done so that I could upload it today. This is the 28th of March, and it's an uploading day. It's a video day. So I couldn't do it. 2 weeks is not enough finish the doll from scratch and edit the video, make the video. I couldn't do it. So it's coming, don't worry. I don't know when I will be able to post it, when it will be finished, but just patience. You can subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified when that video goes up. Yeah, I'm putting her head back on and her body back on and fixing the screws and everything. I had to do this a couple of times because the spring kept popping off, and now I fixed it so that it should not do that anymore, but I had to like open and close the head multiple times, but I ended up editing that out because it's very boring. Yeah. So, what have you guys been doing? I have been staying home, obviously. I have a little bit of work, but not nearly as much as usually. I've been watching Netflix. I have rekindled my love for RuPaul's Drag Race. I'm watching the All Stars 4. Love that season. There are some of my all-time favorite queens on that season, like Latrice Royale, Trinity the Tuck, Manila Luzon, Naomi Smalls. Oh my god, she's so pretty, so beautiful. Yeah, what you have been doing, I would love to know. Just comment down below. Yeah, I want to give my content sort of free from dwelling on the situation and just spreading like this panic and just sharing we can't go to the supermarket and like it's crazy. They have announced that today they will be closing off a section near Helsinki, or the Helsinki area where most of people live. It's the biggest area, or the densest area in Finland. Over 1 million people live in that area. They decided to cut it off from the rest of the country. That's a little bit scary, but yeah, I'm fine, we're fine. Just wash your hands, just don't give in to the panic. And as you can see from the video, right now I placed the eye chips upside down. Yeah, I didn't realize that obviously you should check what way the eyeball is, because it's different, because it keeps spinning. So obviously the eye chip ended up being upside down. So I had to lift them off, apply more glue and stick them on correctly this time. It was kind of annoying, I do have to say, but it wasn't end of the world, you know. It was an easy fix. Yeah. As I was saying, I try to keep my videos lighthearted and happy and sort of provide you guys an escape for a while into the doll world where nothing ugly or nasty exists. So that's enough about the virus. I'm super excited to show you the Foxy video. I'm hoping to get it done maybe in 2 weeks, I don't know. And obviously I was a little bit greedy because I posted I was thinking, should I post the how to fix a broken neck peg video the time I did post it, or today? And I ended up, yeah, you know, obviously I can just, obviously I have enough time. I didn't have enough time, so here we are. Yeah, I don't know how well I will be able to keep my uploading schedule, but you know, guys, I've made this commitment of posting every last Saturday of that month a new video, and I intend to keep working on that. I also gave her a charm on her pull string. This was not on her customizing video because the letter charm is actually made out of clay and it wasn't finished at that time, so I showed you guys now. Here are her heart-shaped eye chips. I think these are my favorite. I don't know, I really like both of them, but I'm so surprised that I like these heart-shaped ones so much. And here are the blue and brown heterochromia eye chips. I think those are pretty as well. Yeah, and here's some clips of her new eye chips and her new pull string. And yeah, Emberlynn is really one of my all-time favorite dolls. She just, I don't know, she's really close to my heart. Even though she isn't that special or anything, I just really like her. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet done that. Tap the bell while you're at it. And leave a comment down below. I would love to know what you think of her new eyes. Which one was your favorite? Let me know. And until next time, I hope it's very soon. Bye!